Why would I leave home? Ask yourselves, why would you leave home? Why would you leave home if you can't rely on your mum or your dad or use their money? Why would you leave home if you don't have a job? Why would you leave home if you can't rely on your parents to drive you everywhere? I wouldn't want to leave home because, yes, I use my parents for their money, for their vehicles. I'm going to admit it, I do. But I still love my parents, and I will forever love them. My mum might be a dragon at some times, but, you know, that's every mother, every typical Māori mother. Yes, you are laughing at the back there, I can see you. My dad, he's chill. I'd say he's chill. But would I trade anyone else for my parents? No, I wouldn't. My mother brought me into this world, and she could take me out of it if she wanted to. Oh, the bell went. It's my time. Ka kite.